Hello friends, today I have an interesting video about how to unpair Apple Watch from phone. Sometimes people's reset watch they are going in setting, go in reset, they erase from here. But after then when someone with the new iPhone or another iPhone, then he asks about old user ID. If you remove from here, then definitely you need to connect old device you was using phone, and after then you need to reset from phone, then you will be factory reset. Otherwise your watch not will be work with another phone. Now I will tell you how to unpair your Apple Watch from iPhone. If you will go from setting, in journal and reset, and writing here, erasing will not remove activation lock. That's mean you need to remove your Apple Watch from phone, then will be properly your data removed from the Apple Watch. Now follow me please, and how to remove your watch through your iPhone. iPhone is connected with Wi-Fi or mobile internet. Now you go in watch, go in reset, erase all my watch, erase watch contacts and setting, click here and erase from here and erase all. Ask about password. I will give my password. Now unpairing watch, phone, currently unpairing watch. Now will take few minutes, and after your watch will be unpair, or you can connect with a new device easily without any problem. Now you can see now it's unpaired. Now it's ready for new phone. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Thank you very much.